Friends, today I'm going to show that how to unblock someone on Facebook. Friends, to unblock someone on Facebook is an easy process. Friends, for this, please watch the whole video, and after watching the video, if you like this content, please like, share, comment, and especially subscribe my YouTube channel. So friends, for this you have to open Facebook. After opening Facebook, just tap on here, menu, then tap on settings and privacy, then tap on settings. After that, my friends, you have to scroll down and you have to go on blocking and tap on here, my friends, which contact you want to unblock. Just select this one. After that, tap on unblock, and you have to remember one thing: within 48 hours you can't block this person again, my friends. After 48 hours, if you want, you can block this person again. So friends, like this, if you want, you can unblock someone on Facebook. Friends, to unblock someone on Facebook, if you face any problem, feel free to ask me in comment box. I'll try to give answer as soon as possible. Friends, if this video helpful to you, please like, share, comment, and especially subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get next video notifications. Thank you for watching. Hope so next time I'll come with another exciting video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.